So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Windows Explorer. You want to right click on it and then click on End Task. Now your screen is going to go black. Now you're going to click on Run New Task. And now in this box right here, you're going to type in explorer.exe and then click on OK. And now your screen is going to return. See if this fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be completed. And then once that's been done, now you're going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, hopefully this will fix your problem. If that's still not working though, for the last method, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem.